There's a lot of dogs on this property just to protect the house while we're sleeping. I think there's 5 dogs on the property. 1 dog, 2 dog, 3 dog, 4 dog, and there's more around the back.
Please stand clear of the doors. Doors are closing.
Let's do this.
First, saved message.
Where else do you see a little kid herding goats? I said, where else do you see a little kid herding goats in the morning? Huh?
What?
Whose goats are they?
Mine.
What are you gonna do with the goats?
Baby.
Speak loud so they can hear you. What are you gonna do with the goats?
I'm going to tie my goats. That's what I'm going to do.
Alright, you heard the man. This is what he does every single morning. He brings the goats out to eat grass, and then he brings it back in the evening time. Now my niece, Charisse, is taking out her goat. What's going on, Charisse?
Nothing.
Speak louder so they can hear you.
Nothing.
So what are you doing now?
Tying the goat.
So what are you going to do with this goat after you raise it?
I don't know.
Do you eat it? Do you cook it? Do you sell it? What do you do with it? You cook it? Yourself?
Huh? Sell it.
Oh, you're going to sell it? So you're going to be rich. Huh?
No.
No? Alright. Okay guys, it's one day before I go back to Canada, and ever since I've been down here, my brother and my sisters and my niece have been telling me to walk to school with them, so that's what I'm doing today. So here's my sister, Shanda.
Hi everybody across the world.
Here's my niece, Charisse.
You have to follow God's school today.
So I'm going to take you down to their school, the same school that I used to go to.
Hi, I'm Shanda. I attend the High Watch All Age School and I am in grade 5. Phew. Hi everybody, I go to the same school, I'm sure it is. I attend the High Watch All Age School. I'm in grade 3.
Okay, so now I'm walking down the road. I just want to show you their uniforms. This is what they're wearing. This is the same uniform they've been wearing since I was going to that school. Shanda, turn around. My brother just caught up with us, so I'm going to get him to say something.
Hi, you saw me with the goats earlier. I'm Duke's brother. I'm in grade 6 at High Watch All Age School. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Here we are at the school. We're all here. There's Shanda, Charisse, Romain, and his friend. And this is the school. I'm going to sit at the back and watch them do their devotion where they sing, and I don't know exactly what they do there, but I'm going to watch. You can see that it's a pretty small school. It's the same school I went to before I moved to Canada in grade 3, I think it was, or grade 2. I took my eyes off my brother and my sister and my niece, so I have no idea where they are in the crowd. I'm just going to sit here until they go inside, and then I'm going to go back home. They're screaming, "Praise the Lord." It might seem really strange because in Canada and I think in the United States, church and state are separate, but you know, in this school down here, I guess, you know, it's really normal to be saying "Praise the Lord" with all the kids there. I'm guessing everyone at this school is the same religion. Otherwise, it wouldn't be appropriate. Okay, everyone, standing here with my teacher. This is the teacher I had before I went to Canada, Miss Tibbs. Also the mother of my friend, Brian.
You don't want to know who is the person?
Yes, miss.
Because young man there is somebody coming to your school. You know, must wonder who the man there. Come and take a picture. Where am I going to do it? He is a past student of the Harry Watch All. He left there when he was in grade 2. He went to Canada. He is the brother. So you could give him a hurry watch welcome.
So my teacher, Miss Tibbs, just told them who I am, and they were giving me a hard watch welcome. I don't know where my brother is or my sister is right now. Okay, so I'm leaving the school right now. My teacher, Miss Tibbs, told the students who I was, that I used to go there when I was in grade 2 and I left to Canada. So she said give them a Hari Watch welcome, so that's why they were clapping. So that was pretty good. I got to go up there and get a better view. I still haven't seen my niece. They all kind of blended in after a bit. But anyways, that's it. That's my school that I used to go to in grade 2. And my brother and sister and my niece are there. That's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going back up to the house now. Later.